Okay, good morning everyone. This is Jeffrey Zhang, and today is the third day for our mapping training. And for our yesterday video recording, we have already uploaded to YouTube. You can find it in this new playlist, and you can find the day 2 video. And so for our today's topic, we will have two parts. The first part, we will show you how to do the symbolization. Like we can set some style for different layers. And then we will go to the thematic mapping. We will help you to know how to make some semantic map for some specific topic. So let's start from the symbolization. Yeah. For a map, the most important part is that we need to set the good effect for the features like the point, line, and region. So this is some effect. You can see we can set the symbol for the line and for the city point. And in Supermap iDesktop, we can set it from the layer style. So let's go to the software. Here I will open a map and show you. Here I will load a data set called world. And also I will add the rivers and lakes. Here we have some, wait a moment. Let me delete some arrow polygon. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so for this map, you can see when we load the data in this map, the Supermap iDesktop will set some default style for the layers. But here we can also change it. You can see we can right click on the layer and we select layer style. And here we can change the color. Let me close these two layers first. Yeah, we only set the style for the lakes. We can change the color. Sorry. Here. And also for the world polygon, we can set it to this color. And for the boundary, we can also set from here. We can change the whites. And for the rivers, we can change it to, yeah, like this. And here we can also, if we have some points here. Let me load the capital point. Let's see. And here we can also set the symbol for the point. Also right click from the layer manager. Here we can set to this one. Like this. So this is for the layer manager. And after we finish to set the layer style, we need to save, because for all the style of the layer, and Supermap will save it in the workspace. And so first, we need to save this map first. We only need to click close and click yes to set a name. And click OK. So you'll find the new map is here. And then we need to save this workspace. You can save the workspace here. Click Save, because here I have already built this workspace. So if you want to save a new workspace, you can do like this. Let me show you. Here, and then make a map, save it. And then you right click on this root and select Save Workspace. And set a name. And click Save. And then you will find the data is here. So if you want to send this data to your colleague or your friends, you only need to select this workspace file and the database file. You send these two data to other people, then they can access your map, your layouts by the workspace file, and the workspace file will read the data from the database. So that is the concept. And after we set some style for the map, and sometimes we found that only set the different style is not enough for the map. So here we also provide another way to show the map. We call it Semantic Map. So here is some example for the Semantic Map. We provide the different mode for the map. And how to set it? Let me go to the software. And I will also use this vector data again. But this time, I will create from here. We right-click to create a semantic map. But before we do this step, actually we should check the attributes table, because we need to decide which field we will use. So here, let us go to the attributes table to check it. Yeah, here we have some attributes in the attributes table. And so if we want to set the color, we can also set the color according to some specific field. So we can right click and create a semantic map. And select this one. We can select for the expression field, we can select the color ID. So it will only separate the color by this field. And here we can also change the style like this. And this is for the semantic map. And here we also, if you want to more function, we can go to here, the Thematic Mapping tabs. Here you can see we support unique value map and also the label map, even for the range map. And here you can also create some label map. And later I will show you. Yeah, and also for the semantic map, we can adjust some properties. So we can right click on the semantic map layers and go to the modify semantic map and go to the advanced. And also we can go to the layer properties to change some style. And here we can also create some label map. You can see now I will also use this map. We can right click again, and this time we'll select label map. And yeah, so you can see here we can show all the capital city of the world, and we can adjust the style. Like this. Here we can change the color. So this is about the label map, and we can also change the expression field from here. And that is some concept. And now we go to the second part. We'll continue to do our country map. So let's go to here. Yeah, let me check if there are any questions in our chatting room. Okay, yeah. Yeah, for our country map, we will also follow this two methods. The first one, we will set some symbol. Yeah, after we check the data, actually we will not use all of the data. We will select some specific layers. So here I will go to software to show you. And I will open a database. So from our yesterday work, we have finished process the data. So here we will only select some data set. So we'll select this one, this one. And this is the country and province boundary. And this is the, let me move. Yeah, sometimes we will load them here. It will set the default order, but here sometimes we need to change the order by ourselves. Yeah, so this is water, and this is roads, and also the railway, and the center point, the city point. So we will set the style one by one. And the first step, we will set the boundary style. So let me close other layers first. We right click and select the layer style. We set the color and also set the boundary line. We will change the color and the width. Yeah, when we do the map, you have to select and try the different option to optimize your map. So yeah, and the second one I will set for the water layer. And here we use blue color. Yes. And for the roads, I will select this one. And for the railway, let me close other layers. For the railway, we have, yeah. And for the city point, we will set to, yeah, we need to select the point first. Yeah, and let me show all the features. And here we found the scale of the points not enough, so here we would adjust it and set the color to black, like this. Yeah, we have already finished several steps. And that is for the symbolization for the layers. And then we will also use some semantic mapping method. Here we want to show the name of each city. So here we will use this data, and we right click to create the thematic map. Here we select the label map. Here we change the field. And also when we do the semantic map, we need to check the attributes first. And we find the city name is in this field, name 1. So here we will select name 1. And we set the style of the text. Yeah. Like this. And also we can see sometimes the label will be overlaid. So here we can also set some rules. in the parameters to avoid this situation. Yeah, so that is for the semantic mapping. And also, if you when you do your map, if you can get some other data like the population of each province, you can also set a unique value map or range color map. Use a semantic map. And yeah, you can set a different color for the province polygon, and you will have a good effect for your map. Here, for our map result, we'll only use this part. So I will do like this. Just keep the map here. Yeah, and also the next step is modify the layer name, because when we do the layout setting tomorrow, we will show you. And in that step, because we need to add the legend of the map. So here we need adjust the name of the layers. And here I will show you. You can right click on the layer and change the name. Roads. Like this. And after we finish all the work, we need to save this map. So we only need to close, yeah, click this button to close the map and click yes. And click OK. And here, let me go back to the slides. Yeah, we need to save the map, set in the name. Yeah, and also here, we also need to save the workspace, because all the database connection, the style of the map, even for the setting of the layouts, will be saved under the workspace. So we have to save the workspace also. We right click on the workspace and click Save Workspace. And here we set a name. And click Save. And then we can close the workspace. And if we want to modify some style again, we can open this one again. Yeah, can load the map again. And here, actually, for the maps, it can save several maps. You can see if I load, set this map, and let's also save it. So you can see for the maps route, you can also save several maps. You can set a different style of your map. Yeah. So that is our today's work, the semantic map and the map symbolization. And for the homework, today we will have 4 tasks. The first, you need to add the data in the map and set the style. And then we also make a semantic map, set the label map for each province. And we modify the layer name. And at last, we need to save the map and workspace. Here is an example. And I will also show you the document. You can see you only need to take some screenshots and put it here. And yeah, the last step, you can make a screenshot for your data and the workspace. And yeah, we have already uploaded the work on the Google Classroom. So you can see we will have your task and the data. Yeah, not the data, yeah, the document, the user manual and the homework template. And for the data, you can use the data of your own country. You can download from the website we provide on the first day training. And yeah. And for any question, you can send in the chatting room, or you can join our Skype group to ask. And also for your homework, you need to go to Google Classroom to submit. Yeah. And some students ask how to submit, so you can see from here. You can select the file. You can upload it and click submit. Yeah. And let me check any question in the chatting room. Yeah, for the legend and the scale bar is from the layout topic. So we will talk about tomorrow. And my country don't have any lakes. Okay, no problem. You can skip this layer settings. And sir, should we do our homework using Turkey data or our country data? Yeah, you need to use your country data. The Turkey data is, I just show the sample for you. Yeah, you need to use your own country data. Can't find out the symbol for direction. Yeah, all the symbol you can find from here. So this is a marker symbol and the line symbol library. So after you install the software, you get it. This is the polygon symbol. And yeah, let me add some points. For the homework of each day, you have to submit in the Google Classroom. And for the final work, I mean, for the mapping group, for the final work, because for the final work, you have to not only submit the map, but you need also submit some explanation documents and some video and some other, like the data, the workspace file. So for those requirements, you can find from the website, the Just Contest website, to find the, let me show you. Yeah, you can find from this website and the mapping group. This is the requirements for the submission. And for your submission, you can pack it and upload it to Google Drive or WeTransfer, and you can share the link to us. You can share the link, copy the link to the email and send us the email. And tomorrow I will publish the email address, and you can send your work. Yeah. So this is the QR code for the Skype group and the homework submission. You can join to ask your question or submit your homework. And for our tomorrow's topic, I will show you for the map layouts, and also we will invite our colleague to show you some specific topic. Yeah, and we'll give you more idea about the map topic. Yes, for the video recording, because we need to do some clipping for the video and we'll upload to YouTube. So it needs some time, but we will try our best to upload as soon as possible. Okay. Okay, I think that's all for our today's training. And any question you can send in the Skype group. And tomorrow is the last day for our mapping group training. So see you the same time, 4 p.m. Beijing time. Okay, see you. Bye-bye.